with y'all. I feel like I don't talk as much as in my videos. I do like a lot of montages, and I really want to make sure that I am freaking connecting with you guys. So let me read myself for a bit. So it is the start of a new month. It is the start of a new month, girl. We have officially left my birthday month, my favorite holiday month. We have officially left October, and is your girl a little sad? Yeah, who wouldn't be? But one thing I will say, hold on, y'all. Gotta make sure I'm doing this right. One thing I will say, the month of October treated me so well. It treated me so well. But one thing I will say, the month of October was the month where I was not disciplined. I wasn't consistent at all. I felt like I haven't taken the time to truly like clear my mind. This looks so orange on camera. I promise it fits me. And I think the lighting is making it weird too. Okay, well, yeah. This month treated me so well, but I was not consistent at all. I didn't take the time to truly clear my head, so I've been a little, how do you say, burnt out. And that's okay. I'm happy that I recognize that I am, you know, a little burnt out, and I'm doing something about it. And I will say the month of October was really just showing me that for the new month babes, I want to be on it. I need to be focused. There is no not being focused anymore. Like, especially since like we're in the last little leg of the year, not being focused is not an option. It really isn't. So we gotta get it together, and we have to get it together quickly. Okay, this is what I mean. I literally had to stop my get ready with me to freaking go to class. Now I'm back, but I feel like that truly shows you how the month was for me, how my brain is feeling, how I am mentally. Like I feel very foggy. I am not planning as much as I want to. I'm not as consistent as I want, and I'm tired. I'm tired of being tired. I'm tired of not being consistent. I'm tired of not being focused. I'm tired of not focusing on the goals that I have worked so hard to just set. So my overall reflection for the month of October was amazing. It was an amazing month. It truly taught me a lot, but I need to take those lessons and turn the month of November into a better month for myself, because like I said, it was fun, but I was not consistent. I wasn't really focusing on my goals at all. So let's get into my goals for the month of November, and I really want this month to be a good month, like a good month. I want to end this month being so proud of myself. So let's get into it. Okay, so it's literally been a few days, but we're still on this little monthly reset moment. So let's get into our goals. So like I told y'all, for the month of November, I really want to focus on just getting back on track and just finishing out the year strong. And that looks like being consistent and being super duper disciplined on myself, but also learning how to balance. So the first thing I want to talk about is fitness. Now, your girl loves to lift weights, okay? Don't get it twisted. I love to lift. But lately, eating has been like a little bit of a chore. So for the month of November, I want to make sure that I'm hitting 130 grams of protein at least 5 times a week. and I want to consume at least 2,000 calories a day. I know that doesn't sound like much, especially since I want to start bulking, but we gotta start somewhere. We literally have to start somewhere, and that's where I want to start. Okay, the next thing I want to focus on is my social life. This is the first time in my life where I've been extremely social. Like, I'm hanging out with somebody every single day. I'm living in the dorm, so you know I'm always around someone, and I want to make sure that I am setting the right boundaries for when I want to hang out or when I want to have time to myself, because I'm noticing that I get really drained or like super duper irritated when I don't prioritize myself. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna prioritize ourselves. We are very much gonna use our boundaries. And I recently watched a sermon where boundaries is literally the best way to steward, and it's the highest form of stewardship, honestly. I want to make sure I'm being a good steward. I want to make sure I'm being a good disciple. So we gotta set boundaries, babes. We have to set boundaries. I can't be staying up at freaking 2 o'clock in the morning every single day. Your girl got a job. Your girl's doing content. I'm in school. There's also other stuff I want to work on. Like, it's too much, okay? But yeah, I truly just want to vibe, girl, but make sure I'm setting my boundaries. Next thing is, of course, like all things finance and working and things like that. When someone tells you that like college brokenness is real, it is real. I think in this time of my life, I'm truly learning how to trust God, especially with my finances, because your girl is paying for school on her own. So it can be a little pricey, and I'm very grateful to have the opportunity to be able to get scholarships and financial aid and but there is still a little bit that your girl has to pay out of pocket. So I want to make sure that every time I get a check, I'm budgeting it properly. And I really want to start getting into like investing and things like that, so I can put my money in savings, but it doesn't just sit in there. Like, it can actually grow. Let me know down below if y'all have any tips, because just the thought of it is kind of stressing me out. But it's okay. It's okay. It's literally okay. But yeah, I feel like my goals for this month are super duper simple because I need it to be. I feel like I've been way too hard on myself these past few months. I've been setting impossible goals, and I haven't been achieving any of them because they're impossible. Like, you have to look at the step. Don't look at the staircase. Look at the step, child. The step. And then you'll get to where you want to go.